Let's do some maths. So this is the question of the day. You can pause the video to do it now, or you can click below to view the whole paper. I set up my screen like so to view the question and the working beside it. Enough talk, I'll start now. So what's this question asking us to do? I've got my A and I've got my B, and I happen to like writing out my A and B. If you don't want to do it, then don't do it like that. But let's have a look. And this question is telling me MP equals X. What? It sounds a bit nebulous, a bit niche. Perhaps what I'll do is I'll put some numbers in. That should make it a bit more understandable for me, a bit easier to conceptualize. So let's start. Let me randomly pick an M, randomly pick a B, and see what X is. And notice I'm picking easy numbers. And notice once I've decided M and P, then I've decided X. Okay, I'm going to pick again. And I pick 8 for some reason. And I get a big number. But this doesn't make sense to me because obviously X is going to be greater than M. Like obviously, because if I'm multiplying by a bigger number, if P is bigger than M, then X is going to be bigger than M. So now I pick a P that is smaller than M. But even then, X is bigger than M. So why did they ask me this question? Why did they ask me that? Isn't it obvious X is always going to be bigger than M? But this is definitely the question being asked. Let's look at the question again. M, P, and X must be positive, and they must be integers. So that means they must be whole numbers. So P can't be half, because that would immediately make X less. P can't be minus anything. I pick -1 because the math is easy. P can't be 0 because that's not positive. So I'm thinking of all the numbers, and I know if I pick a number greater than M, if P is greater than M, then X will be greater than M. What if I pick an instance where P equals 1? That's the smallest positive integer. X equals M now. So I can't tell you from that equation and the conditions on X, P, and M whether X is greater than M or X is equal to M. So I pick option D. Extremely nasty little question there. Always a pleasure. Keep in touch.